Okay, so this is the Consew LK-1900 or CM-1900. Last three digits on a serial number, which I don't see that here. This is just a model number, CM-1900 HS. This is basically a copy of a Juki 1900. Pretty much operates the same type system. The on-off switch is here in the back. And we've got this set up to do a spot tack for drapery. So we've turned this on, and this is the panel that you've got here. And this has onboard programming and a few other functions on here. Very similar to what's out there in the by Jack and Zoj and High Lead and all the rest of them. Basically what we've got here, like we have a drapery spot tack, we have several different patterns. So basically when you press that, it's going to give you access to the programs. And notice it says user. So if you change that, these are the built-in patterns, which I've locked right now so that you don't crash the machine with the wrong clamp. So we're going to put this onto user, and you can see what the pattern is here. That's a 21 stitch vertical spot tack. That's going to be a 16 stitch. And then we have horizontal, 21 stitch. We have several different patterns that are on here. That way they can put it either way they need. The needle is a 135x17, number 21 needle. And we've also added this little tension here for monofilament. It's an electronic tension that we can control. This is the ready button. So when you press this, the screen changes to blue and the pattern will reset itself and you'll be able to run. And that's the spot tack that goes on here. Do another one. Okay. If you want to change the pattern, you press this first. Change that, and we're going to go in that direction. Now you'll see the pattern go left to right. So depending upon how you're doing the spot tack, you can go either way with this. This is the setting for the electronic tension, which is this here. We've set that at 65 for this application. This is the speed, the slide, but you're really not going to go very fast with this. You want to keep it at that 800 RPM. If you want to lower the clamp to thread the needle, so there's this button here. We'll drop the clamp. You'll see that I'll drop the clamp, so you can thread the needle. When you step on the pedal, nothing will happen. And when we press this, it'll come back. Okay, if you want to wind the bobbin, after you've hit the ready button and the pattern's been located, then you could press this and you can hit this button here. The clamp will come down, and when you step on the pedal, the machine will cycle. And then you can wind the bobbin from here. Normally the bobbin would wind while you're sewing the next pattern. When you're all done, you press this, and then you can go back to here, and then you could rethread your machine. If you want to see what the pattern looks like, you can make this clamp come down by stepping on the pedal just a little bit, but don't cycle it. And you could press this button here. This gets back to the reset button. But if you press this down, there's this other button here, which you can jog through, and you can go stitch by stitch to see what kind of pattern you're looking at. And then you can just press that to reset everything. All right, and this would get you to the memory switch settings. So if you need to unlock your patterns, you're going to press this and hold this till it beeps several times. And then these are all the patterns that I've locked. So right now I've got them locked. If you need to unlock one, you would just highlight it. Okay. These other memory switches go into a little bit more detail. That's going to be for another video. This is where you would get your onboard programming. That's this screen here. And then when you press that out, the screen will change so you could do onboard programming. And you could write the programs right on the machine. Let me change this back. And you're back into this mode. This is the button here for communications. This is where you would put a thumb drive right in this spot here. And you could upload patterns from there. And for more details, be sure to contact us, and we can help you out with whatever you need. But again, this is similar to the other machines that are out there, the bartack machines. And we have all the special clamping and stuff ready for this. We can program any pattern you need.